actually the fourth one. Bit of a struggle, but lots of soap helps. I had to run to Tyson's to buy this valve that latches onto the valve stem. This is like one of them cheap Amazon manual tire machines. They sell the same thing at Harbor Freight. I've used it on a few tires already. I guess these are like this is like the 9th one. I could have showed more, but like normal, even though my phone was out here, I was kind of in a hurry and didn't know how they were really going to go. The first one was quite the struggle. I just gotta take them somewhere and get them balanced. After I wash them off. I actually got one more tire. I'll have to put that on one of the front rims that's on the car as a spare. It's got two 15-inch rims on the front. So I'm just waiting. But other than that, that's all. I don't know what else I'm gonna do this weekend. Be another step closer. I have to get them balanced and make an appointment to have the front end aligned. But thanks.